Congratulations.
Hindi rin namin alam kung ano yung expect, but for sure magiging masaya.
Okay, to the three of you guys, describe your first ever MMFF journey in one word and why.
Ay! Ako, sige lang, exciting.
Well,
Ako special. Why? Kasi first time. So talaga hindi ko makakalimutan sa buhay.
okay. Going back to Bianca. Bianca, forgot to ask why kung bakit exciting and special. Bakit exciting?
Well, exciting for me because like I said kanina, it's my first. And syempre kasi I'm alongside all of my friends and diba syempre direct me,
Yes.
of course Will and Dustin, who I'm very, very proud of. So I'm also very excited to see everyone along the road. Ayun. Kasi actually kanina pinractice ko na yung kaway ko. Kasi parang
Wow!
pwede pang amats yan. Gusto nyo yung next road.
Wow! Nice. Okay, level 10.
Pagpagod na.
Wave level 1. Palas yun. Okay. Rain, describe your first ever MF journey in one word.
Memorable.
Memorable.
Kasi grabe po yung character ko po dito.
Okay.
And I'm super proud na part of it talaga.
Okay, about you?
Looking forward talaga. And very, very excited to be part of this experience with these people.
Yes. Well, that you have 2 films in MFF including Love You So Bad. What would you describe your first ever MFF experience and why?
Paano ba? Siguro blessing. Blessing.
Yes.
Kasi, again, ulit-ulit ko sinasabi sa ilang interviews ko na nasagot. Pangarap ko lang ito dati na bigla gusto ko mag-aaral ng pelikula na papasok sa ito. So, blessing to para sa akin.
Okay. Of course, Direk May in her first and your second MFF after 2 years. Sorry, lost for words.
Memorable.
Memorable.
Kasi this is different from the last time.
Rewind.
Yung experience mo ngayon is different. Mga bagets.
Nakakabata ba rin?
Nakakabata
Gen Z vibe.
siya. So I feel like I'm 16 again.
Generation.
So it's memorable.
Yeah. Sorry for that. No, yung may kind of lost for words.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you. Good luck and break a leg.
First time namin makakita ng mga floats in person. So, kita namin kanina pagpasok lahat ng floats, magkakatabi-tabi. So, colorful lahat sila, may sarili-sariling paandar. So, ang saya! Ang saya! Ramdam na ramdam ko yung Pasko. Ang saya nga!
Kasi yun naman kung gaano ka-energetic.
Yes!
Pantayan mo yun. Ako, super excited po actually nung pagdating pa lang namin dito, luminatid ako. Parang unti-unti na nag-signet talaga sa akin na shucks, MMFF, totoo ba to? Kasama ako dito, kasama kami dito. Kaya parang yung excitement from pagpapromo namin, this day, sobrang nadagdagan talaga siya. Kumbaga nag-times 5 siya. Ako, para sa akin, hindi ito MMFF kung walang float. So, isa to sa nilolook forward ko talaga, yung mga floats ng lahat, bawat pelikula. So, ako talagang na-excite ako mamaya kung paano yung sigawan at support ng mga tao sa bawat pelikula. Lalo na sa Love You So Bad.
Diba?
Yes!
Direct naman, si Direct. Pakilang float mo na.
Pangalawa pa lang.
After rewind.
Yeah, ano yung first? This is my second one. Pero, syempre yun nga, like,
Well, Dustin and Bianca,
walang
describe-
float tapos kunwari, ay walang float pa, ay walang MMFF na lang.
So ano up Direct? Pressure ka ba kasi rewind ka?
Siyempre parang hindi naman mako-compare yun. No? These are two different, it's like comparing apples and oranges. So hindi talaga siya mako-compara. I think it's more of we just want to deliver a good story, a good film, and without thinking about rewind, parang erase yun because now, we are faced with a new project. That's all that matters.
Wow! Excited?
Super! Sobrang excited po talaga.
Super talaga.
Nakita ko po kasi yung ruta, napakahaba po ng dadaanan namin today. Meaning, ang dami po namin makikita iba-ibang tao. So, sobrang excited po namin sa energy na madadala po nitong tatlo and of course, the rest of the cast throughout this whole time.
Ayun, sobrang saya ko din dahil this year meron na naman po tayo. I mean, part na naman po tayo na Metro Manila Film Festival.
Pakilang mo na.
Pangatlo, 3 consecutive years po.
Lalo si